Bulldozers and excavators are two common and indispensable types of construction machinery used in various fields such as construction projects, mineral extraction, and many other industrial areas. They play a crucial role in moving, digging, and leveling the ground, helping to increase labor productivity and minimize human labor. A bulldozer is a type of construction machinery used for leveling the ground, clearing soil, rocks, and materials. It is typically equipped with a large blade at the front, which can be adjusted in height and angle to perform various tasks. Structure and operating principle. A bulldozer is typically constructed with a powerful engine, a hydraulic system to control the blade, and a drive system to move the machine. When operating, the engine provides power to the hydraulic and drive systems, allowing the blade to move up and down and tilt, effectively leveling the ground. Applications. Bulldozers are commonly used in construction projects for leveling soil, clearing construction sites, and creating temporary roads. Additionally, bulldozers are used in mining, agriculture, and forestry. An excavator is a versatile piece of construction machinery, primarily used for digging and moving soil, rocks, sand, gravel, and other materials. Excavators come in various types and sizes, suitable for specific needs and working conditions. Structure and operating principle. An excavator typically consists of a long boom, a bucket at the end of the boom, and a control cabin for the operator. The engine and hydraulic system control the machine's parts, allowing the boom and bucket to move flexibly to perform digging and material moving tasks. Applications. Excavators are widely used in construction projects for digging foundations, creating holes, and moving soil and rocks. In the mining industry, excavators are used for extracting and transporting minerals. Additionally, excavators are used in agriculture for digging ponds and in forestry for harvesting timber. Bulldozers and excavators are indispensable tools in construction and mining projects. They enhance labor efficiency, reduce human labor, and ensure safety during operations. The effective use of bulldozers and excavators significantly contributes to the development of the industrial and construction sectors, bringing numerous economic and social benefits.